So today, Zapier automations. Remember the last video that I made, I spoke about the assets and the components of of Zapier. So these are, I made import your data. So you can import. I'm importing a CSV. I choose my file, so you can see. Let me click this thing back. You can see here that you can import a CSV file, you can import Airtable, Google Sheets, Microsoft Excel, and Slack. So these are the channels you can import your data on Zapier. So I click here and I go to May. No, I think it's under download. Under download, I'm looking for sales. There is a CSV file I want to. Okay, let me use this, even though that this is sample. This is a CSV. I don't know what is inside. Invalid file. There is a file that I'm looking for. Yeah, May sales. Okay, I open it. Have you seen it? So before, when you import a data, whether in monday.com, Airtable, or go high level, you have to map it out, because already now I know what was in that form, and you have full name, email, phone number, and business name. So I just look at it. It has 4 fields here. Then continue importing. That's what I will do. So the essence of this, my table has been successfully imported. Can you see it? Now, if I want to run, hey there, I need a hand in your table, can I help you move fast? Just tell me. So, I just imported this. Now, if I want any other thing, I can decide to go to this chat and tell the co-pilot what to do. Remember what I said? In monday.com, the AI there is psychic, and in Airtable, it is called Omni. And here we are talking about, on Zapier, we're talking about co-pilots. So I have successfully imported this. And remember, what do we have here? Name, email, phone number, and business name. So you ask yourself, how do we now run this automate your data? Now we'll come here. I want to teach us something. I will come here and go to forms. This is forms. So we're using one stone to kill a bird. So we are going to create a form here. Let's say the title of our form is May sales. May sales. Then question. You say name, right? It's going to be what? A simple short answer. This is how to create a Google form. Then we'll come here. We'll say email, right? It's going to be a short answer. This is where you add your question. And we say, after the email, we say phone number, It's a short this thing. And I want to know what else that we imported in that table. The name, business name. Okay, let's say business name. So are we going to, in this business name, are we going to have a single or multiple choice? So let me use multiple choice in this. Okay, no, if I use a multiple choice, it's going to make me to start filling a lot of number, but you can as well use it. So let us use a simple short answer, so that when such is given to me to fill, then we are talking about mail sales and the business, and then we go to publish. When we go to publish, anyone with the link, then we'll publish. We can shorten the URL and then we'll copy. When you copy, you can send it to any person. So I decide to send to myself, so I can be able to do what? To fill it. So I can be able to fill it. So I come here and paste it. That's now I can send this Google form to someone to fill for the mail sales. Then I click on this and it opens for me to answer, right? I say Aka. Okay, let's go back to the name of the person that is here. Okay, let's go to Zapier. We have number one, James Okafor. We say James Okafor. Then email we say james.okafor@brightedge.com. Let me see whether I can. I don't know whether you understand why I am using this. I copy the email. I come here because it will help me to get the. No, this is not it. It will help me to be able to get the right automation, because we are dealing with this table now. The table, you have to have the same table so that your automations can work. You cannot just bring any data and so you to work with the information I have here. Why is this thing going like this? I'm sorry. So we have to take James Okafor, because that is our first this thing we want to do here. It's not working. To copy that email, so I will write James.Okafor @brightedgetech.com. At brightedge.com. Phone number 804. Let's see whether we can be able to copy this phone number. It's not copying, so we have to 804. That is the number we have here. 804-567-8904. 567-8904. 567-8904. 567-8904. So that is the number. And the business name, what is the business name? Bright Edge Technologies. We have the business name, Bright edge technologies. Technologies. You see? Okay. Submit. So he has responded. Then if you go back here, okay, we are coming. Now we want to do automation. I have created that. This is our table, and we want to run automation here. They have given us recommended what steps: create record in Zapier from the form submitted, then add new Zapier table records to Google Sheets, send email for Zapier table records suggested. So they are suggesting the type of what automation we can do. We can do a custom, build your own automation from scratch, and that is what we are going to do now. So when you import your table, so the AI can be able to tell you, okay, this is what you're supposed to do. But for now, we are going to do our own what automation. So the trigger here is what? The trigger here will be Google Form. And we say what? The trigger action will be new form response, or new or updated form response. And we click here. We choose there. So it's because I have already what? Connect my Gmail. That's why you're seeing change, or change, this one change. If I haven't, you'll be seeing let's connect. So we are trying to test run that, and I have already what? Set that up. Then you come here and you choose the form. And what did we do with the form? What is the name that we gave the form? We gave the form mail list. Let's see. Mail sales, sorry. It hasn't come. So we'll keep doing it to see whether it will come. It's a mail form. Has to be mail form. I'm sorry guys. I think we're making a mistake somewhere. No. Keep refreshing. The form's supposed to be here. I don't know why it has come as an untitled form, but I want to check something. Okay, let's see. It has worked. So the original one, form response from A. Let's see what's going to happen. You have seen it now. So even despite the fact that I created, maybe because of network, it wasn't a mistake. So that form that I created, I did it. It's supposed to be mail sales. So it's not supposed to come as an untitled form. So if you check, you can see the time it was created and submitted, the phone number. Remember, James Okafor this. So this is where we are going to pull our this in. So this is Google Form response. Then you select action. What action are you creating? We want that instead of once they fill the form, it goes to what? The Google Sheet. Then we'll click on Google Sheets. You get? Then what is the action event? Are we creating or changing the sheet properties? No. You go here, copy, you are creating. No. What are we doing? We are creating what? A spreadsheet. Create a new spreadsheet. Choose from the blanks or copy existing one. No. What are we looking for? We are looking for the one that will tell us, okay, you are going to update what whenever a Google form is filled, or there is a new data or a new information, you should do what? Update spreadsheet row in a specific with optional this thing, update spreadsheet rows. So let's check this one and we continue. Then we choose Google Drive and the spreadsheet. Now what happened? I need to go to what? Go to back to Google Sheets to create what? Google Sheets. So we'll go here, we'll come back here. I don't want this video is taking time, so we'll come here to create a Google Sheet, so that after someone has filled the Google form, it will automatically take the person to update it on Google Sheets, instead of you to be going there to be writing it one. So that is the essence of what? Automation. So we'll go to, this is Google Sheets. We have to create new. So we're going to remember, when we are creating that form, it's supposed to be mail sales. Enter. Then we have name. We have email. We have phone number. And we have business name. It's in sheet 1. Then we'll go back. We have created this, right? So it's coming from the Google Drive, remember. So we'll go back. Okay. Sorry. May sales. Trying to see. Have you seen it? This is the mail sales. So sheet what? Sheet 1. What are the rows? Name. You come here. James Okafor, right? You map it. Either you type it or you map it. What is the email? James Okafor. And what is the phone number? You come here and take it. Remember what we did that time? Then the business name. Business name is what? Bright Age. Okay. Row number. We have the business name. We have the name, the phone number. That is 4. Row number. I think it's 4. Okay. So this is it. Ta-da! You have seen it. So we did it. So whenever I tick like this,